Hello friends, we're going to Cleveland. Veda, life is happening fast.
I don't like this coffee. I'm going to drink it still. I made a mistake. I got the raspberry shot at Dunkin' Donuts, forgetting that I only like that in the hot coffee. But it's still coffee, so I'll drink it. What were you saying? Sorry, you were saying something I think important. Well, you're just sucking that down.
I got this coffee like 3 minutes ago and it's already halfway done. That's the kind of week it's going to be. Let's go to Cleveland. So this is in fact where the show is happening tonight. Unfortunately, it's not a real shot. What if I did have cool aerial shots in my vlog? Wouldn't that be neat? I don't yet. Someday I will. I should buy a drone and do them. They'd be pretty cool. But it's very nice outside. Just take my word for it. Today is the perfect day for Dynamite. So let's go.
Ooh, get a load of that. Hey, one day, I got a great feeling. We're gonna be on them trucks one day.
One day we're gonna be the trucks.
The trucks.
We're gonna be on the trucks. We're gonna be driving the trucks.
Okay.
The trucks are gonna be filled with Jet Speed merch.
Okay.
Shirts.
Yes.
Hats.
Right.
Watches.
Right.
Bracelets.
All of that.
Which, by the way, we have a new Jet Speed shirt.
Check it out.
Out right now on AEWshop.com. And I have some in my suitcase. I have one for each of us. Yes.
Let's get that. And
So
we
I
need
will.
each of y'all grabbing one too. So let us know.
But so we got some interesting news for today. I have a very interesting match.
What's the tea?
Speedball Mike Bailey takes on, in a singles match, Jon Moxley.
Ooh.
And Kevin,
Talk to me.
you know he likes to play the numbers game.
Right. It is strength in numbers.
But I think I'm going to have to go out and do this one by myself.
Speedball, I know you like to do all your training. It's a very admirable fact that you want to do this alone, but you know, I'm always there if you need me. Just give me the signal. We got the signal. I can't let the folks know, but we got the signal. Just let me know, and I'm out there for it.
Just keep an eye out. Just keep an eye out. You know what I mean? I want to lead by example. I want to show that you don't need to have a whole crew of Death Riders at ringside for no reason. You can just go out there and wrestle. But you'll be watching.
You're a dangerous man. You're a dangerous man. You know that?
I like to live my life a quarter mile at a time.
Hey, we will do that. I don't got too much to say, but Death Riders, watch your back. Cause Jet Speed, we did exactly what we said gonna do, and that's come straight for the top.
There was a flushing sound right as I turned the camera towards you. But Mark, I need your help, advice, wisdom, because today I am facing Jon Moxley one-on-one. So in order to get the victory, I need to know the word of the day.
Speedball, the word of the day is massacre. Because just as I'm going to massacre Maxwell Jacob Friedman, I want you to go out there and you be the massacre. You show Moxley what the massacre is all about, from the beginning to the end. From the mass to the curve. Let's go. Mass to the curve.
Look at this.
You see it.
Brand new Jet Speed shirt.
You know?
Let's go. All right, Kevin, it's go time.
It's go time.
I'm fucking ready. Let's go. Let's do this.
Ready. It's the Death
Let's
Riders.
go.
Time is up.
Time is up.
We got the new Jet Speed merch, so it's really official. So Death Riders, we coming.
It's real now. Number one faction in AEW, Jet Speed, coming right up. Let's go. Beating up Jon Moxley. Hush. Friends, I am exhausted. That was a hell of a match. Once again, I'm extremely disappointed that... Oh, what the...
Fuck you, Speedball.
Well, fuck you too, MVP.
Hey, tell him.
Fuck you, Speedball.
Fuck you, Speedball. Well, fuck you guys too.
I could, take you.
Nephew Junie
Hello.
got punched in the face tonight.
A few times.
A few times. Who punched you in the face exactly?
Hangman
Hangman
and MJF.
and MJF, both of them, the good guy and the bad guy.
So what does that
Goddamn.
make me?
Makes you a tweener.
Right.
I don't know.
Kayfabe.
It makes you
Number 3.
one day talent.
One day talent.
Yep. Tomorrow, no more talent.
No more talent. It's all
Yep.
gone when the time changes.
But you're very busy right now.
Very busy.
Staying in
Dayton, Ohio.
Dayton, Ohio. Yeah,
Yes.
for the summer.
For the summer, I was training with Ace Austin, and I recently trained with Alex Shelley. You should, for anybody curious about training in Michigan and or Ohio, Michigan trained with Alex Shelley at a Grind Time Wrestling. And if you go to Ohio, go to the Pile Driver Wrestling Academy with Ace Austin and Sammy Callahan.
Well, been
Nice
very
little
nice
plug.
catching up with my future.
I didn't know you were starting with me.
What's that? What you drinking?
Iced coffee.
So, I'm back home for a day, and then we go back out to Virginia for Collision in a couple days. So this is not the end of the vlog. There's a lot more to come. But Veda, I'm glad that at Dynamite this week, I got to make even more enemies, piss more people off, get even more heat. Now me and Kevin have the Jet Riders on our back. So
The Jet Riders?
the Jet Riders, the Death Riders.
You would be the Jet. If you take over the Death Riders, they would be the Jet Riders. So that's another reason why you are just gathering enemies everywhere you go.
Because I can't
You're
get
trying to-
anyone's name right.
You're trying to take over all the,
Oh, no,
all the
the-
groups.
The Hurt Locker, the Jet Riders. Oh man.
Fuck you, Speedball.
Oh. It's Friday. I'm going. We made it. Berglund Arena in Roanoke, Virginia, where all your favorites have performed, such as Jeff Dunham, Kevin Hart, and Theo Vaughn. And when I say your favorite, I don't mean any specific person. All right, Roanoke, Virginia.
Say no more.
Oh.
I'm 63 years old, 60 years old, 60. Look, when I was your age, bro.
Highly visible.
All right, so Roanoke, Virginia.
We are here.
We got LFI,
We got some tools.
and they are known to mess around.
right.
So we can't be walking. We can't be caught lacking.
Oh.
We can't be walking around empty-handed.
Oh.
So I got myself.
Ooh, what you call that?
What is this?
Stick with a chain.
Stick with a chain. Let's go.
Stick with a chain is crazy work. +5 damage. You know what I mean? Can we get some bar on this? Some spice or whatever. you
It's
want?
got the hockey tape for grip.
Yes.
Damn, that's very Quebecois.
Now let me see.
Very
What
Quebecois, I
can
love
I
it.
get to match that? What can I get to
So-
match some of that?
We have this one. This is tried and true. This is simple.
Tried and true.
This is a little bit
Highly
more.
visible.
It's
Oh,
rebar.
Okay.
I like the rebar personally.
I like.
Even out-
I'm a big fan of rebar.
Let me see. Let me.
Yeah,
What's the
that's
proper
nice.
usage?
That's
Overhand.
it. That's about it right there. Yeah. That could be a one-hander because it's so light.
So this is the main thing. You know the default pro wrestling weapon is a chair, right?
Yes.
Well, you got to be quick. They could do some damage by the time we're running out with those chairs.
Right.
So we need something that moves.
I mean,
Yes. You guys are known for your agility
Right.
and your speed. So I
Yes.
need these weapons to be able to play to those strings. A chair is big and clunky. Save that for some other guy. This ain't for you. Here's another thing. It's a little unorthodox. However, it's heavy, but handheld. You could go in there, bop, bop,
Okay.
whatever you got to do. This is a C-clamp. It's up to you.
This is kind of crazy. I'm not gonna lie.
I know.
So this the hidden point right here.
I would. Yeah.
See, I like this, but this might not be visible. It's like
That's
you're saying
right.
to
That's the
people.
thing.
So we want,
Low
we want
visibility.
We want to let them know what the issue is.
The last thing is
Ooh.
quick. It's loud. I love it. This is easier than a chair.
There's no handle on this thing.
No.
Because if you could get the handle, then you could double up.
right.
That'd be double damage. You're
Right.
absolutely correct.
That would be. You would have something to defend and something to attack.
You know, I'm gonna let the people in the vlog catch it by surprise on what I choose. But we got a multitude of weapons that we can choose. We're gonna try it out. We're gonna try it out.
Let's pick. Okay, Kevin, let me take this out. Where are we?
We are in.
It's called Roanoke.
Roanoke.
Yeah. But also, more specifically, we're in the men's room, bathroom.
The famous, world famous Berglund Arena, Roanoke, the men's room.
I don't think the men's room's famous.
The men's room with the men's world champion.
That's true. That's true. I got some Vicks Vapor Rub on my nose.
Oh, I was worried about what you were going to say there for a second.
No, I got a little Vicks Vapor Rub. Yeah.
You've been in there with Roosh before.
Yeah. He hits hard. Motherfucker.
I heard that too. Yeah.
Well, beat his ass tonight. If you don't first, one of the two of you.
I think that's the plan. Honestly, I would be very, very surprised if LFI didn't get their ass beaten tonight. And if something bad happened to us, or God forbid, at least if we all die tonight. Which there's always
I think it all the time. What if I die?
Right? What if we die?
Yeah.
Hey, at least we'll die doing what we love.
Yeah.
In a place that we've learned to love, that we've learned to love today, that you've possibly loved.
No, I hate it. I'm just kidding. Yeah. I went to school near here. I love this place. I have a lot of fond memories. I have a lot of loss of memory here as well. Because we're college here. Yeah.
All right, so we'll see you guys on the other side. Are you stealing potatoes?
Caught in the act.
So I can't judge you because
There you go.
I literally walk by
I'm so hungry.
and it is saying, "Hi, Janai Kai. Do
Hello. The only way to eat potato is to stop your face with it.
you want a potato?"
I would love one.
Oh my god.
Get a potato.
Let me check. This one looks good. Yeah, it looks good. Yeah.
Cheers.
So I wanted to catch you because I want everyone here to know that you have a vlog as well. In case they don't. That the
Mine
vlog.
is juicy. Oh.
Mine is. It's kind of oily. It's salty. It's got some herbs. It's pretty good.
Hers is dry because she ain't got none.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, follow me, okay? That's it.
When does your vlog come out?
It's every Wednesday at
Wednesday?
12 p.m. Eastern time.
So perfect because mine's every Monday. So it's regular intervals. Wednesdays and Mondays. You get vlogs.
Let's go.
Let's go. Another big week in the books for Jet Speed. What did we learn?
Man, LFI is unpredictable.
Unpredictable. Death Riders. Unpredictable. Darby Allin kidnapped Wheeler Yuta.
It's dangerous in these AEW streets. It's dangerous out here. But you know what? Jet Speed is always up. And
We're doing it. We're fucking doing it. Let's go. Cincinnati next week. Gonna keep killing it. Gonna keep doing what we do. Jet Speed up.